Microsoft Excel 2013 Interface Tour. Before using a program efficiently, you must first understand where things are located. We are going to start by giving you a brief tour of the Microsoft Excel environment. When you first open up Microsoft Excel 2013, you will notice the Start screen. The Start screen is where you can open up a blank or most recent workbook. Now I'm going to go ahead and open up a blank workbook by clicking on the Blank Workbook button. Now looking up here in the top upper left, you'll see the Quick Access toolbar. And right now, currently, there are 3 buttons on there. We have Save, Undo, and Redo. But you can add additional buttons there very quickly. The File tab is a great drop-down menu where you're going to be able to find recently opened workbooks. You can save your workbook, print your workbook, or even share your workbook. To exit out of the File tab, click the arrow in the upper left. Across the top, you'll notice additional tabs such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, and View. When you click on one of these tabs, a ribbon will appear below with different button options. Down below the ribbon is the name box, and as you click into one of the rectangle shapes, you'll see the column and the row listed. To the right of that is the FX button, and this is where you can go out and find all the different functions that are available in Excel. Next door to that is the formula bar, and to determine whether the cell contains a constant value or a formula. Just above the number 1 and to the left of the column A is a Select All box, a little square box here that selects the entire spreadsheet. Columns start with the letter A and continue on 16,384 columns to the right. Rows start with the number 1 and move all the way down to 1,048,576. Down below here on the lower left, you'll see sheet number 1. So all workbooks start out with one sheet, and you can add additional sheets by clicking on the plus symbol just to the right of the Sheet tab. We also have scroll bars on both the right and on the bottom. And then down below that is the status bar, where we have 3 different views for viewing your spreadsheet, as well as a zooming scale that allows us to zoom in or zoom out. And that is a tour of Microsoft Excel 2013.